proseso po niyan, sir, if ever po ay foreign jurisdiction po ay mag-i-issue po ng arrest order or summons po, and since yung foreign jurisdiction po ay wala naman pong enforcement mechanism sa ibang bansa po, they have to course through their request po sa ating international Interpol po. At ang Interpol po, normally po as a matter of procedure po ay mag-i-issue po yan ng either blue notice, red notice po, that this is just an international alert po. Hindi po ito arrest warrant. Linawin lang po natin yung ilalabas po ng Interpol po. At through their National Central Bureau po, at nagkataon po dahil ang membro po ang Pilipinas ng Interpol, meron po silang National Central Bureau, and doon po sa kanilang mga main office po sa France, normally papadala po yan as a matter of procedure po dito po sa kanilang National Central Bureau, and then yung National Central Bureau naman po ay magpapadala po yan ng alert po sa mga law enforcement agencies including the PNP, advising us na itong particular na tao po na ito ay being sought for investigation or meron pong arrest order po. Any unit po of the PNP can effect the arrest warrant po if in case there will be one po. But again, since this is a warrant issued by the foreign jurisdiction, then we have to study kung ano po yung magiging proseso. But like I said before, ang ating pong magiging basehan po dyan will be the action to be undertaken by the Interpol. If there will be request for police assistance in implementing these warrants po, then the PNP is obligated to honor that obligation under the principle of reciprocity, sir. Let us not jump into conclusion kung saan natin dadalhin po. We just have to wait for the process to proceed po. It's too speculative po na magsabi po ako kung saan po siya dadalhin sa ngayon. We will cross the bridge when we get there, sir. Pag nandito na po at meron na pong mga request for police assistance po through the Interpol, let me iterate, through the Interpol, because the ICC has no way to directly giving orders sa PNP or any other law enforcement for that matter po. So wala po tayong magiging papel po in case maglalabas po ng arrest warrant po ang ICC, because what we are assuming that they will seek the assistance po ng Interpol.